Today we are going to study Mandukya Upanishad, the smallest Upanishad. Mandukya Upanishad.
Ma'am, Mundako done.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
Mundaka Upanishad done.
Yes, Mandukya Upanishad then. Have you not attended the last class? You are asking question?
No, I don't think I have done. Okay, ma'am, I'll update.
So today we are going to study Mandukya Upanishad. This is the smallest Upanishad which have only 12 mantras. Okay, this is also the part of Atharva Veda. So this is our third Upanishad we had studied now. We are going to study third Upanishad which is related with Atharva Veda. The first two which are related with Atharva Veda, please tell the names. Yes, Disha.
Prashna and Mundako.
Very good. Prashna and Mundak. And this is Mandukya. These all three are related with Atharva Veda. Okay. So in this Mandukya Upanishad, we will study 4 states of consciousness. Consciousness की 4 अवस्थाएं, that is Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, Turiya. Waking sleep, waking state, sleep state, dream state, and deep dream sleep. Deep sleep, Turiyavastha. And after that, their relation to syllables in Omkara. 4 states of consciousness का यहाँ पर रिलेशन है किसके साथ? ओमकार के साथ. Okay? This is the introduction. This is part of Atharva Veda. 12 mantras are there. Smallest Upanishad. In this we will study Omkar and result of its worship. Subject matter 4 states of Atma. Consciousness और आत्मा के 4 states. And its relation to Omkara. ओमकार के साथ relation. Okay. Okay. So we will study this shloka in further slide. Okay. So this is Shanti part. Every Upanishad we had studied, which is related with Atharva Veda. What are those? Prashna Upanishad, Mundak, and Mandukya. These Upanishads are mainly start from this Shanti part. Okay, got it? Question can ask, all Atharva Veda related Upanishad starts with which Shanti part? Starts with which Shanti part? Which Shanti mantra? Om Sahanavavtu, Om Purnamadaha, or Om Bhadram Karnebhihi. So the answer will be Om Bhadram Karnebhihi Shrunuyam Devaha. Bhadram Pashye Maksh Viryajatraha Sthirai Angais Sushtuva Gwam. Sushtuva Swasti what's there? स्थिरै अंगै सुष्ठुवा ग्वम वसेन हि देव सस्तनूभिः विषेम देव हितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति न रक्तारक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. So first of all, they are memorizing the good name of Parabrahm Parmeshwar, that is Om. Om is Pranav. Om is name of Brahma. Okay. So first of all, they are memorizing their name. After that, Bhadram Karnebhihi. Bhadram means good. Shubh. Karnebhihi. Karnebhihi.
Listen.
करने भी सुनने के लिए, सुनने वाले. भद्रम अच्छे करने भी सुने। हे ईश्वर, हे गॉड, हे परमात्मा, प्लीज whatever we are going to hear, that must be भद्रम, शुभ। जो भी हम सुनने जा रहे हैं, जो भी हम सुने प्रतिदिन पूरे दिन में, वो भद्रम हो, अच्छा हो, सुनने में शुभ हो। हे ईश्वर, we should try to please God not give any that type of answer in our ear, so that they are not good for us. Okay, ऐसी कोई भी चीज जो हमें नहीं सुननी चाहिए, that is not good for us, for our karma, please stay away all those matters with our ear. उन सभी चीजों को हमारे कानों से दूर रखें। ओम भद्रम करने भी, हे ईश्वर करने भी, हम अपने कानों से भद्रम अच्छी चीजें सुने। करने भी शृणुयाम, सुने। प्लीज हे गॉड, हे ईश्वर, every time whatever we are going to hear, that must be good. भद्रम पश्येर अक्ष, पश्येर मक्ष भीर्य जत्राः, whatever we are going to see through our eyes, they must be the good, pure, पवित्र। जो कुछ भी हम देखने जा रहे हैं वो भी अच्छा ही हो। ऐसी कोई भी चीज ना हो जो हम ऐसी चीज ना देखें जो हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए, हमारे संस्कारों के लिए अच्छा ना हो। Okay, so anyone is are comfortable with Hindi and English, bilingual language? Yes, everyone is comfortable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhadram Pashir Maksh Bhirajatraha, whatever we are going to see, whatever we are going to look, that must be pure. We are the student, we are the disciple, we are telling these all lines to the God every time, whatever we are going to start, like our whole day. So after waking up, definitely we should chant this. Okay. स्थिरै अंगैस्तुष्ट्वा स्थिरै अंगैस्तुष्ट्वा वं सस्तनूभिर् व्यशेम देव हितं यदायुः। देव हितं यदायुः, हमें उतनी ही आयु प्रदान करें, जितनी भी आयु प्रदान हो, हम ईश्वर की देव हित, ईश्वर के हित में ही उसको लगाएं संपूर्ण। Okay, whatever the age you give us, that all the time we want to give you as a worship, as a prayer, by our all इंद्रियास, कर्मेंद्री, ज्ञानेंद्री, सभी इंद्रियों अंगों के साथ स्थिर और शरीर प्रार्थना करते हुए हम देवताओं द्वारा जीवन काल को प्राप्त करें। This is also the same line we had also studied in. Can anyone tell me this same concept with Ayu? Yes, Surbhi. Disha.
Ma'am, which one? Once more.
This second line, this concept we also studied in another Upanishad. This is in first Upanishad.
Ishavasya.
That shloka is Jiji Visheshatam Sama. There they are asking about 100 years, and there they are asking whatever age you give us, definitely those all time we will worship you, every time. All the time, all the work we will do for you, only for God. Okay, जो भी हमें आयु, हमें एज मिल रहा है, वो हम ईश्वर को ही समर्पित कर रहे हैं। एवरी वर्क सस्तनुभिः body and indriya. Okay, then they are saying swasti na indro vridrashavaha. They are asking Indradev, Pusha Dev, swasti na taraksho, and Brihaspati. These are 4 devtas. They are taking blessings from them. 4 devta. Indra devta जो सभी और फैले हुए हैं, दे आर स्प्रेडिंग एवरीवेयर. पूषण जो सभी का कल्याण करते हैं, रक्षा करते हैं, प्रोटेक्ट एवरीवन. तारक्षो जो सभी की रक्षा करते हैं. तारक्षो कौन है? गरुड़ देवता. बृहस्पति बुद्धि देवता. Okay, so they are asking to all the devtas, hey ईश्वर, hey all devtas, please help us, please हमारा कल्याण करें, please protect us, please secure us. Okay, please pardon, your voice is cracking.
Brihaspati is which devta?
Buddhi devta.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. I am repeating again. You want to write, so you can. इंद्र देवता. वृद्रश्रवाहा का मतलब होता है that who is spreading everywhere, जो सभी और फैले हुए हैं. पूषा होता है, पूषा विश्ववेदः, संपूर्ण विश्व का ज्ञान रखने वाले. those who know everything of this whole world, विश्ववेदः. आफ्टर दैट स्वस्ति न तारक्षो, स्वस्ति न तारक्ष्य होता है गरुड़ देव, अरिष्ट नेमी, अरिष्टों को मिटाने के लिए. those who are the bad evils we can say, those who end up all the evils, who has the power? Garud devta, Taraksha. Okay, and Brihaspati, the god of buddhi, god of intellect. So we are praying to all the devtas, like please bless us so that we can live in this whole life to performing nishkama karma, and with samarpan bhav we can do every work, every karma. Got it? This meaning of this whole shloka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, so remember this shloka is every time is as a Shanti part come in starting Prashnopanishad, Mundak and Mandukya. Okay, and now we are moving to.
Shall I chant this one?
We will chant
later. Okay.
We will chant Prashna, Mundak, Mandukya, 3 Upanishads together. Shlok first. Om iti etad aksharam midam sarvam tasyopavyakhanam bhutam bhavat bhavishyat. Bhut bhavat bhavishyat. That Brahma, that Om is Bhut bhavat bhavishya. Past, present and future. Everywhere is He. Sarvam Omkara. This Omkara is everywhere. Yat chanyat trikalatit tadyop Omkar eva. Hari Om. Om means they are, first of all, they are memorizing Om. The whole universe is the Om. It means Brahma has Brahma. Brahma not Brahma. Brahma has another name, Om. It means Om is Brahma. Brahma is Om. Following is the exposition of Om. जो कुछ भी है, everything is with the Om. Everything that was, is or will be. जो कुछ हो चुका है, हो रहा है, होने वाला है. that was हो चुका है, is present और will be होगा, is in truth ओम, वो सभी ओम है. Everything within this om, all else which transcends time, space, causation is also om. ये सभी भी ओम है. यह सबका सब जगत ओमकार है. Everything whatever is in this world, this whole world, whole universe is the ओमकार. सर्वोमकारः, ओमकारः. After that they are saying यच्चान्यत् त्रिकालातीत तद्योपकार एव. Trikalatit means whatever we had studied in before this shloka, bhut bhavat bhavishyat, ऊपर कहे हुए तीनों काल से अतीत दूसरा कोई नहीं है. They are saying जो भूत है, पास्ट है, प्रेजेंट है, फ्यूचर है, that everything are comes under in omkara, and without these that is also is omkara. जो भूत भविष्य और वर्तमान से भी अलग है वो भी ओमकार है. ओके, दैट्स ऑल्सो ओमकार. तद उप्यंकार एव. If anyone is different from past, present and future, that is also the omkara, that is also the Brahma. It means everything whatever is in this world, this is in universe, is all, everything is existed by Brahma, Omkar. Got it? So here we get another name of Brahma, which is Omkar. Got it? Whatever is present in this world, everything within in this Om. Got it? So maybe question will ask in exam, the first shloka is telling about the importance or greatness of Omkar. Which Upanishad is telling this? Mandukya Upanishad. Got it? So after that, next sloka is Sarvam Yetat Brahma. Brahma ayam Atma Brahma. Soyam Atma Chatushpad. ये जो आत्मा है, this is the this Atma has Chatushpad. Chatush, 4, Pad, parts. This Atma has 4 parts. Now we are going to study these 4 parts. All this universe is the eternal Brahma. Sarvam Yetat Brahma. ये पूरा का पूरा जो संसार है, whole world is the eternal Brahma. This conscious, this supreme being. I am Atma Brahma. This Atma is also the Brahma. This self is the eternal. This Atma is also the eternal. Soyam Atma Chatushpad. And now we are, and this Atma has 4 parts. So question will ask in exam, in what Upanishad is this statement that Atma has 4 parts and Atma has 4 legs? Mandukya. Okay. And also question ask like, in Mandukya Upanishad, how many legs of Atma? So 4 legs or 4 parts. Okay. So now we are moving to study these 4 parts of Atma. So they are saying that Atma जो है, जो soul जो है हमारी, that is conscious. We everyone know this soul is conscious. So this soul has 4 parts. This soul is divided into 4 parts. So the first part is Jagrit Avastha. Jagrit Avastha means waking state, waking. Okay. Whenever, okay, just listen अबाउट दिस विद एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे कि like a station master is just standing in the station, and by standing at one position he is only looking outside on the way, and what he is looking, he is just looking, one train is coming and going, one train is coming, hold there and then move. Okay, so there station master is just looking whatever is happening outside. Okay, whatever he is grasping by their indriya, कर्मेंद्री, ज्ञानेंद्री, मन, बुद्धि. In business or in office, a person will go and they communicate conversation to other batchmate. He thinks about many slides or many projects, communicate, then eat. Whatever he is performing in all the day, that is in wake state, waking state, जागृत अवस्था. जो कुछ भी हम कर रहे हैं, जैसे नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग, सो आई एम टॉकिंग इन माय जागृत अवस्था. ओके, इन वेकिंग स्टेट. सो दिस वेकिंग स्टेट इज परफॉर्म इन gross body. Okay, whatever we perform in jagrat avastha, that is in our gross body, स्थूल शरीर में होता है. Okay, and they are giving this name of this part, this Brahma path. What is the name? Vaishwanar. Also they are saying Bahish Pragya. Bahish Pragya means our Pragya is in outside. हम ज्ञान ले रहे हैं बाहर से, बहिश, outside. Our every indriyas are outside. We are looking, we are hearing, we are feeling by our skin, we are smelling. So this is because of our indriyas are outside. बाहर से हम grasp कर रहे हैं. That's why here is called bahish pragnya. Bahish pragnya. Another name is Vaishwanar. Okay, what is these all thing is happening in gross body, स्थूल शरीर में. What is in which अवस्था? जागृत अवस्था, वेक अवस्था. जागृत अवस्था में हमें ये सब चीज होता है. आई एम looking the shorts, okay, reels, and just studying, just talking to you. So everything will be in the jagrat avastha, waking avastha, within my stool body. Okay, and the name is Vaishwanar, Bahish Pragna. Okay, so after that, the second second avastha is the swapna avastha. Whenever we are going to bed, okay, we are just thinking whatever we had done in whole the day. I just teach you. So whenever I go to sleep, in dream, I also think about those about Sobhi, about Disha, whatever I had studied, what their obstacles while teaching me. Okay, so these all are the happening in our स्वप्न अवस्था. स्वप्न अवस्था में भी हम काम करते हैं, हमारी इंद्रियां काम करती हैं. ओके, हमारे कर्म इंद्रियां काम नहीं करती हैं. लाइक हम चलते नहीं हैं, हाथ नहीं, कभी कभी हाथ भी उठता है. हैव यू नोटिस्ड अबाउट दिस? मैनी टाइम्स योर लेग्स टेक अ स्टेप और योर हैंड्स ऑल्सो मूव in your dream state. Okay, so there is also your indriya is aware, but your indriya is in antah prajna, inside अंदर की ओर होती है. Okay, and these all happening in your sukshma sharir. in सूक्ष्म शरीर, also known as subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, जो कुछ भी इकट्ठा हुआ है पूरे दिन का, वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में क्या हो जाता है, ऐड हो जाता है. ठीक है. So whatever you see, whatever you take dreams in your swapna avastha, that will be in your subconscious mind. That's why called is antah prajna. Every indriya is your insight. And this is name is Vaishwanar, and this second name is Tejas. The Brahmapad second name Tejas. First Vaishwanar, second Tejas. Got it? Now we are moving to third sharir, that is Sushupti avastha. Sushupti. Here in this Sushupti, no bhog, no desire, no dream, because here is deep sleep. What? Deep sleep. Deep sleep. You have you noticed when you in deep sleep, any person is working on machine or big tool with too big noise, but you are not able to hear because you are in deep sleep. Have you noticed? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
जब आप डीप स्लीप में होते हो तो बाहर कोई भी नॉइस हो रहा हो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू हियर बिकॉज यू आर इन डीप स्लीप. देयर इज चेतना प्रज्ञा. चेतना प्रज्ञा. देयर इज नॉट बाह्य और अंतः. आपकी जो प्रज्ञा है वो बाहर और अंदर नहीं होती है. दैट आर जस्ट स्लीपिंग. नो एक्टिविटी, no bhog, no desire, no dreaming. Okay, but what is one thing is there? What is one thing is in here? Anand. Anand is there. Feeling of goodness is there. What whenever you wake up by deep sleep, you noticed, oh, this is a too happy sleep. I'm very happy with my deep sleep. So that Anand is here. Okay, which will be enjoyed by this Karan Sharir, causal body. Your body is habitual. This body know what is it know that deep sleep is very good. जब भी डीप स्लीप आता है हमें आनंद मिलता है. तो कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? आनंद मिल रहा है. हालांकि हमारी जो भी इंद्रियां हैं, कर्म इंद्री, ज्ञान इंद्री, मन, बुद्धि, कोई भी काम नहीं कर रही है, बट हमें क्या मिल रहा है? अनुभव हो रहा है. किसका अनुभव? एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गुडनेस, एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, enjoy. That something is there in this, something is present in this state. Okay, and after that is Turiya avastha. Turiya avastha is the Sunya avastha, where this Anand is not there. इस शून्य अवस्था में no one is there. This will happen in Atma Omkara. When you get to know that my Atma is Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, that Brahma, that Omkara is inside me, that is Atma. When you get to know, and you will also see by deep dhyana, you get to know that I am not the body, I am not the indriya, I am not the man, buddhi, chit, ahankar, prana. I am nothing. Just you are following like soham or any mantra or any pranayama, anulom vilom. So there is only nothing else there. So जो शून्य अवस्था है, शून्य state, that is the Advait. Name is Advait. Me and this. मेरी जीवात्मा और ब्रह्मा both are one. When you get to know, that is Turiya Avastha. There is no difference between him or you. that God and Jivatma. You forgot all Indriya, Karmendri, Gyanendri, Man, Buddhi, Chit, Ahankar, Pran, Panch Tanmatra, everything, and Sthul, Shukshma, Karan, everybody. You just forgot, and there is only Jivatma and Paramatma. And both are one. The union of Paramatma and Atma. That is the state of Advait. Only one is there. Two are not there. Advait. Okay, got to know whatever we studied now. The Sharir, Sthul, Shukshma, Karan or Omkar Sharir. Okay, these are the Sharir and these are the different states. Okay. Okay, so now after 7th or 8th mantra, from 3rd to 6th shloka, these all will clear. Mention, okay, whatever we studied. And in 7th shloka, there is a shloka about qualities or characteristics of God we will study. And 8th to 12th shloka, these are the shloka, or they are saying like this Omkar is Brahma. Okay, and Brahm is the Atma. Atma is the consciousness. And now they are saying that this Atma has 4 legs, 4 parts. So definitely they are now joining this Omkara's 4 akshar. These 4 akshar are connecting with these 4 states of Atma. Because Atma and Omkar both are also same. Got to know? आत्मा ही ब्रह्म है, ब्रह्म ही ओमकार है. तो ओमकार के जो 4 अक्षर हैं, अ, उ, म और अ मात्रा, ब्लैंक, देयर इज शून्य आफ्टर म. सो दे आर ऑल रिलेटेड विद द स्टेट्स ऑफ आत्मा. अ मात्रा is related with जागृत, ओम उ matra swapna, ma matra sushupti, and blank matra is there where advait is there. जहां ब्रह्म होता है, आत्मा होती है, there is a matra, blank matra, शून्य. Okay, now they are saying that when you got to know or by regular practice of what, कि जो एक मात्रा है, अ मात्रा जो है, उसकी जब आप जागृत में आप उसका ध्यान करोगे, आपको उसका क्या लाभ मिलेगा? गेट ऑल डिजायर्स एंड बिकम सुप्रीम थ्रू 7 parts and 19 माउथ. जो 7 प्रकार हैं शरीर के, शरीर 7 प्रकार के हैं, पंच महाभूत, और शरीर क्या प्रकार हैं? जस्ट वेट.
सूक्ष्म कारण is that?
Yes, is there, but somehow something I missed. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we will study after that. When I will see, I will tell you that get those who get to know this thing, and what is the result of this? Get all desires and become supreme. Supreme हो जाता है, ठीक है. And those who are get to know about Om Matra, which is second part of Omkara, the result of this upgrade the Jnana Parampara and become the child of Jnani. Jnani का चाइल्ड वो बन जाता है। दोज हु आर गेट टू नो और बाय रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस, रेगुलर साधना, दे गेट टू नो अबाउट द ओम मात्रा। they get the फल ऑफ अपग्रेड द ज्ञान परंपरा। वो ज्ञान परंपरा को अपग्रेड करेंगे। इट मीन्स देयर फैमिली हैज एवरी सन और डॉटर दे हैव द ज्ञान, टू मच ज्ञान इज देयर। एंड इफ दे गेट टू नो अबाउट थर्ड अक्षर म thoroughly, deeply know the real nature of जगत and then merge with it, तो वो जो रियल नेचर है इस जगत का वो जान लेते हैं और उसी में मर्ज हो जाते हैं। डेफिनेटली जब तक वो यहाँ तक पहुंचेंगे तो वो उनको रियल नॉलेज हो जाएगा। आ मात्रा ब्लैंक, that is blank. When you get to know about blank, become आत्मज्ञानी and then merge with परमात्मा। निर्विकल्प समाधि you will study in Yoga Sutra. So these all are, they are connected, like one individual have got to know about every matra, the concept of every matra. Okay, so how they get to know, like मुझे ये सब चीजें प्राप्त करनी है तो मैं क्या करूंगी, सबसे पहले जो ए मात्रा जो है ओमकार का उस पर ध्यान करूंगी या उसके हर एक परिप्रेक्ष्य को मैं जानूंगी। देन ओमकार, मकार, दिस इज अकार, उकार, मकार और आ मात्रा। जब मुझे इनकी संपूर्ण नॉलेज हो जाएगी, then I get to know the results of, and I get to all the results of these. Understand everyone? Yes?
yes.
तो इससे क्या होता है, गेट ऑल डिजायर्स एंड बिकम सुप्रीम, अपग्रेड द ज्ञान परंपरा एंड बिकम द चाइल्ड ऑफ ज्ञानी, नो द रियल नेचर ऑफ जगत एंड देन मर्ज विद इट, एंड बाय आ मात्रा अद्वैत इन तुरीय अवस्था बिकम आत्मज्ञानी। You also get to know, you also know that by regular practice or by deep dhyana, one can become Atmagyani and merge with Paramatma. So these are like these u, ma, amata. These are like states. जब तक आप जागृत अवस्था में हैं तब तक आप आकार को ही समझ पाएंगे। स्वप्न में आएंगे, मतलब ये हमारे लेवल्स हैं। स्वप्न, deep sleep, turiya, these are the our states. Okay, shall we move? After that, this I talked about the 7th shloka. This is very important as per exam purpose also. Very, very important, this shloka. Na antah pragya, na antah pragya. Though, who is, here is talking about Brahma, Omkar. That Brahma is na antah pragya, no. अंतः मीन्स इनसाइड, ड्रीमर स्टेट जो हमने बोला था ना इधर, स्वप्न, अंतः प्रज्ञा। ही इज न अंतः प्रज्ञा, नॉट ड्रीमर, न बहिष्प्रज्ञा, नॉट वेकर, न उभयत। उभयत मीन्स नो इन बिटवीन दीज। इन बिटवीन दीज मतलब जो आपने कभी देखा है क्लास में, आपको नींद आती है, आप आंख खोल के रखते हो, पर जो आप लिखते हो वो आपको पता ही नहीं होता ये हम क्या लिख रहे हैं। इन दैट ड्रीम स्लीप, दैट स्टेट इज नॉट वेक एंड नॉट स्लीप, नॉट वेक एंड नॉट ड्रीम। बिटवीन दोज, बिटवीन बोथ दीज, आप उसमें जगे हुए भी होते हो और सपने में भी होते हो। हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड?
Ma'am, repeat once more.
न उभयत, उभयत मीन्स आप वेक भी नहीं है और ड्रीम में भी नहीं है। उभयत, बहिष्प्रज्ञा भी नहीं है, अंतः प्रज्ञा भी नहीं है, Na ubhyat. That is the condition when you are wake but you are in dream. When teacher is in front of you and you are studying but you are sleeping with with open eyes. Have you experienced this? I experienced many times. That's why I'm saying. Yes, your voice is cracking.
Ma'am, experienced this many times.
Many times है ना? निशा ने तो बहुत बार किया होगा ये एक्सपीरियंस.
पद्मश्री मैम का क्लास चलता है तो ऐसा ही हो जाता है मैम.
अच्छा. तो दिस इज उभयत. ओके, सो नो इन बिटवीन दीज. जो ईश्वर है, जो ब्रह्म है, इन दोनों के बीच का भी वो नहीं है. ना ही तो वो ड्रीम में है, ना ही वो वेकर है, ना ही तो वो जागृत अवस्था वाला है, ना ही वो स्वप्न अवस्था वाला है, और ना ही इन दोनों के बीच का है. न उभयत. न अंतः प्रज्ञ न बाहिष प्रज्ञ. न उभयत प्रज्ञम न प्रज्ञान घनम. ना ही इन दोनों से अलग है. प्रज्ञान घनम क्या होता है? नॉट. न प्रज्ञान घनम मीन्स डीप स्लीप. नो ही इज डीप स्लीप. वो डीप स्लीप भी नहीं है, किसी भी अवस्था में नहीं है वो. न प्रज्ञम न प्रज्ञम. न प्रज्ञम. ही इज नॉट द ओमनिशिएंट. ही इज नॉट द ओमनिशिएंट. वो किसी को जान सके, जानने वाला भी नहीं है वो. न प्राज्ञम. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि नहीं जान सकता हो. ना प्राज्ञम. ना प्राज्ञम मीन्स ही इज नॉट द जड़ प्रकृति. We cannot say he is only conscious or only non-living. ना प्रज्ञम. नॉट non-living. वो non-living भी नहीं है. न प्रज्ञम. नो omniscient. omniscient भी नहीं है. न जानने वाले भी नहीं है. What is he? After that he is saying adrishtam. That Brahma is not transaction. Sorry, adrishtam means not able to see them. adrishtam वो देखने में भी नहीं आते हैं. अव्यवहार्यम. व्यवहार्यम. नो ट्रांजैक्शन. नो ट्रांजैक्शन लाइक. नो ट्रांजैक्शन लाइक वो बिहेवियर में भी नहीं आते हैं, व्यवहार में भी नहीं आते हैं. ओके, लाइक I am giving a bottle to Disha. So bottle is like transaction. Okay, so he is not the transaction. Okay. Avyavaharyam. Agrahyam. Agrahyam. Grahyam means that Brahma we cannot get by our कर्मेंद्रिय. ग्राह्यम. ग्रास्प. हम नहीं प्राप्त कर सकते. ग्राह्यम नहीं ले सकते हैं उनको. कर्मेंद्रियों से भी नहीं समझ सकते हैं उनको. अलक्षणम. ही सिम्टमलेस. नो सिम्टम्स. नो शेप. नो साइज. नो कलर. अलक्षणम. कोई दिखता ही नहीं है उनका सिम्टम कैसे हैं. अचिंत्यम. ही कैन नॉट एबल टू थिंक. कांट थिंक ऑफ एट ऑल. अचिंत्यम. अव्यपदेश्यम. कांट एक्सप्लेन विद लैंग्वेज. हम उनको समझ भी नहीं सकते, समझा भी नहीं सकते हैं. अव्यपदेश्यम. अप्रत्यय सारम. अनटच्ड बाय एवरी अवस्था. व्हाट अवस्था वी हैड स्टडीड. जागृत, स्वप्न, सुषुप्ति and all. He is not that. Pratyaya saram. Untouched by everything. Different from all those. Prapanchopshamam. Prapanchopshamam क्या होता है? This is also the same, that he is not in this world any object or any prapanch like any thing what we can see. जो भी कुछ हम देख सकते हैं, जो भी दिखने में आ रहा है, that is not him. That is not he. He is not anything. Okay, whatever we had studied. So what is he? What is he? He is Shantam. He is Shivam. Here is not Shivam is the Devata Shiva. Okay, Shivam means the one. अद्वैत, अद्वैत मीन्स नन अदर देन हिम, कोई उनके जैसा नहीं है। चतुर्थम, चतुर्थम पाद, ही इज द फोर्थ वन, तुर्यावस्था। मन्यन्ते स आत्मा स विज्ञेयः, दैट इज विज्ञेयः, वो जानने योग्य है। विज्ञेय, एबल टू नो, विज्ञेयः, दैट गॉड इज शांतम, शिवम, शिवम अद्वैतम, चतुर्थम अंग, फोर्थ पार्ट, what to know, that is it about the god. Anyone have doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am. No.
So this is about Purna Brahma Paramatma. They are saying that Paramatma is the fourth part, not first, not second, not third, not Adrishtam, Avyayam, Avyavaharyam, Agrahyam, Alakshanam, Achintyam. He is not all those things. Okay, not, he is not a dreamer, no waker, no in between these, no deep sleeper, no, not omniscient, not non-living. He is not all those things. No transaction, or we can say he is not come in the transaction, not come under कर्मेंद्रिया, कर्मेंद्रिय से भी नहीं जान सकते उसको. No shape, no size, no color, can't think of at all, can't explain with language, untouched by avastha. He is Shant, Shivam, Advaitam. Okay, and is also the fourth part of the consciousness. Okay, shall we move? Yes. I think this is the last slide. Everything we had covered. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So this is important. This shloka is very important about the fourth part. They are saying the fourth part of consciousness. That fourth part is the consciousness. Brahma. Okay. And we had also studied about some concepts here, like he has alakshanam, achintyam, about something, but this is thoroughly covered many things we had studied in last Upanishads. There are two less, here are more. ना अंतः प्रज्ञा, इन्होंने स्टेट भी कवर किया है. वो किस स्टेट में है? वो किसी भी स्टेट में नहीं है. ड्रीम में भी नहीं है, जागृत में नहीं है, इन दोनों के बीच भी नहीं है. इन दोनों से अलग जो है डीप स्लीप, जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति में भी नहीं है. ओके, तो किस में है वो? क्या है वो? ये गुण है, वो फोर्थ अंग है. गॉट इट? यस. एनीवन हैव डाउट सो दे कैन टेल मी, अदरवाइज हम क्लास को दी एंड करते हैं. Okay, so this is very important, and before this we had covered the Brahma path, four path there: Vaishwanar, Tejas, Pragnya, Advaita. And what's about the Pragya, Bahish Pragya, Anta Pragya, Chetan Pragya? And what's about their Sharir, who are active in those states? Gross Sharir, स्थूल शरीर, सूक्ष्म शरीर, कारण शरीर, आत्मा, ओमकार शरीर. फोर स्टेट्स ऑफ आत्मा: जागृत, स्वप्न, सुषुप्ति, तुरिया. एंड व्हाट्स अबाउट मात्रा? ए मात्रा, ओ मात्रा, म मात्रा और आ मात्रा. एंड व्हाट्स देयर फल? व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट? गेट ऑल डिजायर्स एंड बिकम सुप्रीम. अपग्रेड द ज्ञान परंपरा. Know the real nature of Jagat and then merge with it and become Atma Jnani and merge with this Paramatma. Nirvikalp Samadhi. Nirvikalp means no vikalp. Here is no vikalp. Not anything is what we say, रिमाइंडर, रिमाइंडर, शेष, कुछ भी शेष नहीं रहता है. एवरीथिंग विल बी फिनिश आउट, क्लियर आउट, रिमूव आउट. Got it? And this also is very important shloka. Maybe they can ask in question. Sarvam hetad brahma ayam atma brahma so ayam atma चतुष्पाद. ये जो ईश्वर है, ब्रह्म है, ये चौथा भाग है. चौथा, ये चार पादों वाला है, चतुष्पाद, चार पाद वाला है. तो इसको हम समझ रहे हैं. तो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है that universe, that Brahma is about for how many parts. Okay, and this is also important, that whole universe is the Omkara, past, present and future, everything within this Omkara. And about this shloka we had studied Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunumayam. Okay. Anyone have doubts, so they can ask me. Otherwise, we have just closed the meeting. Sorry.